I'm sweating a lot. It's hot. There's no easy way to say this. There's no better way to say this, but I caved. I caved in. I got rid of my old PC. My old PC's history. It's gone. The AMD is gone. Hey everybody, Contran here. Let's just say that my old AMD build was a good computer to start off with, but it was just that, a good computer to start off with. Like an old relationship, the AMD processor just didn't give me the excitement anymore. Every time I turned on the computer, it just wasn't there. It wasn't something that I liked, and I needed something better. I felt like I needed a better upgrade. It was really big case. The case was huge, the motherboard was huge, there was a lot of empty space. There wasn't that much things that I could really go ahead and enjoy. There was just too much for, frankly, what it was. It's like if you had jumped into the first relationship because you were desperate. Damn, that's a really bad analogy, isn't it? Anyway, let me go ahead and introduce you to my new computer. It's called the Batcave. The Batcave. There you go. I like Batman, so what? Sue me. Let me ramble off some specs of what I used to have and what I do have currently. So here we're looking at an Intel 6700K overclocked to 4.7 from an AMD FX 8350 overclocked to 4.5. This new processor is being cooled by the same Corsair H1000i, except that instead of the Corsair fans I used to have, now we're looking at two Noctual NF-F12s. Great coolers, great fan, it's working out perfectly. We have the same video card, a Gigabyte GTX 970. We had to upgrade the RAM, obviously, since we went with the Skylake CPU. We have now a Corsair Vengeance LPX 2133 megahertz of 16 gigabytes, two 8 gigabyte sticks each, DDR4, and this is compared to the G-Skills Ripsaw 1866 megahertz of DDR3. It was also 16 gigabytes. We have an EVGA 750G 80 plus gold PSU from a Rosewell Glacier 1000 watts 80 plus bronze. We went ahead and went with an EVGA Z170 Stinger Mini ITX from an MSI 970 gaming. Cooling the entire little tower that we have back there, we have two Noctual NF-F12 with the iPPC. These are the industrial ones, the all black ones, and they have the white Chromax rubber pads, and all of these are now in this little rig compared to the old rig where I used to have, I think, 6 Corsair Airflow red LED fans. Yeah, that was a lot. That was honestly quite a lot. Now this build was inspired by the neat look and space saving from a small form factor computer. I thought to myself, instead of going everything on a super tight budget and upgrade later on with what I have, I said, you know what, let's go the opposite route. Let's go ahead and not set a state budget. Let's go ahead and spend as much as we can for the better components and even the better single graphics card. Right now I have a 970, but it's because the 1080s are on high demand. I can't find them in stock. Once I get that bad boy in, I'll slap it on here. We'll see how the performance goes. Everything feels comfortably in this Fractal Design Nano S. It's a really small computer. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks wonderful. I think there's nothing wrong with it, and it's compact. It's a tiny shoebox, and I love it. I don't have to make up for anything, right? That's what my wife says. She wouldn't lie, right? All right, guys, this is where I'm at, and this is what I'm currently working with. I hope that everybody enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna get out of here. I'll post a video up later on about each individual piece, maybe give you guys a little bit more money shots, and well, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a like if you liked it. Awesome, thanks.